Hannah Cho Beauty is a dream I've had for as long as I can remember. From a very young age, I was interested in beauty, fashion, makeup, that whole world. But when I was growing up as an Asian in America, my look was not mainstream, it was not celebrated, it was just not. I have a distinct memory of walking to my neighborhood grocery store, going to the magazine aisle, finding the latest teen issue, and flipping through it till I could find the one, maybe two ads with an Asian model. And always she was in the background and always had a more natural appearance. In my mind, it looked plain and basically invisible like her. If I wanted to see bright, bold looks, I'd have to look at people who didn't look like me. And then when I actually started to do my makeup, I quickly realized, oh, and there's not really any beauty tools for people like me either. Everything was clunky and hard to maneuver. Beauty tools didn't fit my features, specifically my eye shape. So I'd have to tweak things and figure out tips and tricks to kind of make them work for me. And then YouTube came into my life back before any of us knew what it was gonna be. And it's there I found a community and learned things like, oh, I have monolids because my eyelids don't have a crease. How do I curl my straight, short, stubborn eyelashes? But it was still a process of trying to find beauty tools that could work for me. Fast forward to getting a little bit older and finally accepting my features and that they're not just unique, but they're beautiful. And they shouldn't be toned down, but enhanced. And that's what this is. Introducing Hannah Cho Beauty beauty tools and lashes that work for you. Designed for all, curated with Asian eyes in mind.